Welcome. In a previous video I took a look at a burr under this USB microscope, and I'll put a link in the description to that video. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this weed I found. It's some kind of a thistle-y kind of weed, and it has some little thorns on it, and I wanted to check those out. The burr that I looked at had little barbs on the seeds, and this one I'm guessing won't, because this is probably to keep animals from eating it, and the burr wants to actually attach to their fur. So I'm using this little microscope here. It's a USB microscope. I got this at mono price. This one's not available anymore, but I'll put a link in the description to some of these on Amazon, and they should be pretty similar to this model. So this came with a stand. You can put it on and connect it. I actually like to use it handheld, and I'll set it on the leaf like so. And I found sometimes you can tilt it a little bit to just barely tweak the focus on it, and then your main focus will be on this focus ring right here. So I'll turn this. So I don't seem to have a thorn in focus. Let's try this one right here. So it can be hard to line this stuff up. So you can see one on the, there we go. There's a little thorn there, and there are no barbs on there, as I suspected. Although, let's see if I can center on that a little better, and I'll zoom in more. There they are. Those look pretty sharp. Those don't look like something I want to touch. I've actually avoided touching this leaf because I don't know if I'm allergic to it or anything like that, and I don't have any reason to touch it. Well, that's cool. There's a little bug on there. That's a good reminder that I should throw this away outside when I'm done. Looking at the leaf itself, I cannot see that bug. It is tiny. Here's the leaf itself. There's a good close-up of one right there. So these USB microscopes can be a lot of fun. I highly recommend one, especially if you're doing educational things. It's nice to have one of these. They're relatively cheap, and you can really zoom in on things. You can take pictures of them. They're really cool. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.